Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to block a person on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos on your phone. First, open up your Facebook app, and after opening your Facebook app, the interface will be similar like to this. Now to block somebody on Facebook, let's search for the person first. Now to search for the person you want to block, you can see the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner of your screen just beside the message icon. Tap over there, and now you need to search for the person whom you want to block on Facebook. For me, let's go, it will be this guy. And now if I wanted to block this person, you can see the three dotted icon just beside the message button. Tap on the three dotted icon, and after you tap on there, all these options will be available to you. Now to block that person on Facebook, you can see the blocked option over here. Tap on block, and you can see the block option again up here over here. You need to read these things to make sure that you're blocking him, and let's block it. And the Facebook says it's blocking the user. And there guys, now when we search for him, he will not be available on our search lists, and we will also not be available on that guy search list after we blocked him. And there guys, this is how you block somebody on Facebook. And if you have any confusion or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.